So we're on our way to replace the drum head.
Can we not?
You have to, Gonzo.
Why?
Because you're part of my documentary now.
You're making a documentary?
Yeah, it's too late. Oh yeah, I'm recording before I even ask for permission. So, you know.
Don't edit that part out.
Yeah, I was thinking that was gonna be the intro.
Okay, my name is Gonzalo Ventura. People call me Gonzo. Okay, so in the band Malicious Puppets, my role there is, I don't know, I play lead guitar. Sometimes I do backup vocals. And behind the scenes, I do a lot of the composing. Let's just edit this out so I say I'm a lead guitarist and backup singer. I'll probably leave it in. Alright, cool. Science.
It messes with, and then like it doesn't fully like stay in your mouth that well. It falls off.
Okay, I guess it's ready now.
You're good?
Well,
You ready recording?
I've been recording.
Oh, mother. My name is David Acosta. I'm rhythm guitarist, sometimes lead,
Main vocals.
and main vocals. Yeah.
Hey! I didn't see you there. What's up, old Steve?
Hey man, I'm Josh Sturkey, or I'm just whatever you want to call me. I fucking play for the Malicious Puppets, and it's pretty cool. What you want?
Dude, we're like a big fucking greasy band, dude. We're greasy men and shit.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? We're like, you can use this for your fucking gas, dude. It's so greasy. We're like vegetable oil put in the niggas' cars, driving down the street, nigga. That's how greasy we are.
I can't help you, man.
Oh, that's definitely not in focus.
So my name is Leo Ventura from Malicious Puppets. I play the eighth notes, also known as the bass. And I also do all the engineering for them. I record all the music and mix it and stuff. Well, I became involved in the band Malicious Puppets when my brother Gonzo pretty much said that I learned fast, and they needed a bassist to begin with anyways, so you know, pretty much I bought a bass. I learned a few thingies, chords, and that's it. That was about 2 years ago. No. That was in 2011, a little after I graduated from high school. So it wasn't too long ago.
Yeah, this band's actually been around pretty much since 2011, or a little bit before that actually. But 2010. But it was only me and yours truly, lead guitarist Gonzalo. That's how it started. Play the clip. Oh, well, I don't want to speak too much, but no, I was in another band. The band's name was called Luscious Monster, and it was horror punk. It was my buddy Matt as a lead singer and bassist, and I was guitar, lead, and rhythm both. It was a three-piece, and my buddy Rusty, he was our drummer at the time. We went through like one drummer before him. It didn't work out because he was like in so many bands, so we went with our buddy Rusty, and it was a great time. It was an awesome band, and you know, it's a shame. It broke up, but you know what? Things happen for a reason, and I'm happy where I'm at now. You know, but we all went our separate ways. You know, we all had our own. Some people had bassist he has a passion for filming, so he dedicated all his time into that, and pretty much he went full on. As far as Luscious Monster, it gave me the exposure. It broke me into as far as playing in front of a crowd, it was it popped my cherry as far as it popped my cherry.
Pop the cherry for you.
No. See what you made me do.
Malicious Puppets was started off by me and David over, say, 6 years ago. It has just been us two for the longest time. It's only recently where we got all of our members. 6 years.
It's a pretty long time. Can you elaborate as to why it took so damn long to actually start doing things?
The reason it took so long is because it started off as me teaching David how to play guitar. So we didn't actually have ambitions to be a band at that time, the first few years. However, we did jokingly come up with the name then.
Let me film this.
Okay, so can I start? Are we recording?
Alright, so so you can start. Alright. On 3, okay?
Where's 3?
No, you're supposed to count. I did. I went like this. 3, 2, 1. I went like this.
You just said this. You said
I went 3, 2.
No, you said on 3.
Like this. Fucking alright. I got this.
Hi, peoples. My name is Christian Omar Alatorre, and I'm a friend of the members of Malicious Puppets, of David Costa, I think that's his last name, I'm not really sure, and Gonzalo Ventura. I always love that name, Ventura. I'm one of the friends that came up with the name of Malicious Puppets, and I'm going to tell you the story of how much I can remember, because that part of my life is a big blur, so bear with me if it's not true or not. We were in San Isidro. It was me, David, Gonzalo, and our Ethiopian friend, Juno. He's not Ethiopian, we just fuck with him like that.
No, he is.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh, he is Ethiopian. I didn't know that. Well, yeah. Well, we were just walking in San Isidro, but near Sunset Elementary where Gonzo lived, and like we were just like they were just spitting names out like for their band they wanted to create. This is way before they even started making it. They're like Dave was still learning how to fucking play guitar. I can't remember what names they used, but the one that like right before I mentioned it was David saying it's called our band Sock Puppets.
That was a good idea.
That was a retarded name. Sock Puppets? I remember you even described it, like you even tried to describe the freaking cover. Yeah, tube socks.
This could be our gimmick.
Yeah, he wanted tube socks for his cover.
There's only 2 things you do with those. You put your feet in them or you come in them. Like, that's not a bad name.
Yeah, after we fucking with him, I said, what about Malicious Puppets? And like, they all fell with it. Like, David loved it first, I remember. Gonzo, he was kind of skeptical. I think he wanted to come up with the name. I think he got jealous.
And I knew
what?
Start over.
I don't like saying my last name.
Say your last name.
Man, Sarah, dude.
Fine. I know what the fuck my name is.
You know what formality is?
All right.
Who's it?
My name is Renee Mancera. I knew Gonzo and David from high school. And from what I've known, they've always been interested in music and they've always been in a band. But they were always working on a name. Chris came up with that, from what I understand. But they were always looking for people. It was always usually a drummer or a bassist. I remember one week they came to me and they said, do you want to be a bassist? And I was really scared because I don't believe I'm really good at it, but I guess I can remember. But lucky for me, it was only one song. So we did it, and I think it was at Cabo Wabo. I was very much out of my element. It was, I'm usually into alternative or reggae or even just rock, but it was a whole punk scene, and that kind of angers me. I don't usually like seeing people that way, and I don't usually like the music. It was Deathmatch, I believe, which I was very honored because when I was first learning to play the one song that they were gonna play in Cabo Wabo, it was I didn't play one of their songs. They decided to go with one of my rhythms or riffs, and they ended up making a song off of that. So I was very honored that they do that, and it was just overall a very eye-opening, fun experience for me, and I really hope the best for them. I see them play, I do my best support that I can. I go I go when I can, and I really hope the best for you guys. The next song that we're recording is Deathmatch, because that one has sounded terrible all the times we try to record it, and hopefully this time it goes well.
I can't find my favorite pick. I hate that. And it's funny because my favorite pick is not even a thing that's special. It's just like a gray, flimsy nylon pick.
This fucking shit's tripping me out. This fucking.
That's how we do it, nigga.
Fucking A. Okay, let's keep that. Oh, damn. Flat. I'm flat. There, see? I forget that part. No.
What happened?
I forgot. Damn it.
I feel like none of that's usable. Actually, you don't know this is great. Jesus Christ, dude. Fucked it up again. What the fuck? Okay, now I'm really getting pissed off.
Milky.
See.
Is that it?
What was your favorite part about recording, I guess?
Recording, like hearing it over, seeing how we sounded, like, you know what I mean? That was my favorite part.
But obviously, I think my favorite part of recording would be, I think everybody's, when it's finished and we hear it, how it sounds, and hopefully we're happy with it. That's pretty much the highlight of recording, is finishing and listening to it, and hopefully it sounds great. You know?
That looked cool.
Hey, we should get a film of that though.
Yo, you see that turn? It's pretty badass. Because you guys were looking that way, then both you and David turned like that. Like I should have filmed you guys just standing around. I was like, whoa, that was pretty badass.
I know how the music is and fucking I fit into it now. Because I understand how the shit relates to me and relates to you guys. So it's just like one big fucking watermelon.
Why watermelon?
What?
Because watermelons are fucking good, dude.
I thought you were going to keep going.
You know what I mean? And they're full of seeds and like we have so much shit that needs to grow, you know?
Oh, you're saying that's fucking deep.
So it's like we're one big fucking watermelon that's gonna fucking grow more, you know? We have a lot more shit to grow and we're gonna make a lot more albums. So Malicious Puppets fans, if you're somewhere out there and you just don't know it yet, we're gonna be up your ass sooner or later.
So far in there.
So far in there. You're gonna need an enema to get us out.
Dude, for real. Man.